Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 12 mini, changing the loudspeaker. Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Removing necessary screws. Removing the speaker. This is our new speaker. Installing it. And that's it. We've successfully changed the iPhone 12 mini loudspeaker. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.